Have you ever wondered when the concept of artificial intelligence first emerged? Well, we have to turn back the pages of history to the 1940s and 1950s. The world was still reeling from the effects of the Second World War, yet in this tumultuous era, the seeds of artificial intelligence were sown. Renowned British mathematician Alan Turing played a pivotal role in this nascent field. His revolutionary idea, the Turing test, proposed in the late 1950s, is still considered a cornerstone in the field of artificial intelligence. Turing's test was a simple yet profound question. Can a machine imitate human intelligence convincingly? If it can, then it could be deemed as intelligent. Turing's question laid the groundwork for the entire field of AI, and it is a question we are still grappling with today. But the story of AI doesn't stop there. Around the same time, another concept was born, one that would have a profound impact on our world: machine learning. This was the idea that machines could learn and improve themselves, much like humans do. The birth of machine learning was a watershed moment in the history of AI. It was no longer about creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. It was about creating machines that could learn and evolve. The 1950s also saw the birth of the first artificial neural networks. These networks, modeled after the human brain, were designed to recognize patterns and learn from experience. They were the precursors to the complex deep learning systems we see today. And so, beneath the shadow of the Cold War, amidst a world in flux, the dawn of artificial intelligence broke. This was a time of great optimism and great fear, a time when the possibilities seemed endless and the dangers unfathomable. But one thing was clear: the world was on the cusp of a new era, and thus the spark of artificial intelligence was lit, setting the stage for an era of unprecedented innovation. But did you know there was a time when the promise of AI seemed to be nothing more than a distant dream? Indeed, the journey of artificial intelligence has not always been a smooth ride. In the late 1970s and 80s, the AI community experienced what is now known as the AI Winter. Despite initial optimism, AI research was not delivering on its promises. The machines were not becoming smarter. They couldn't understand or learn from their environments. They were in many ways still very artificial and not very intelligent. The hype around artificial intelligence had created high expectations, and when these expectations were not met, disappointment set in. Funding for AI research began to dry up. The AI winter had set in, and it was a chilly one. For almost 2 decades, progress in AI seemed to have come to a standstill. The dream of creating intelligent machines appeared to be slipping away. But as they say, it's always darkest just before the dawn, and the dawn of AI was just around the corner. In the late 90s and early 2000s, there was a resurgence in AI, fueled by 2 key factors. The first was the advent of the internet. The internet gave AI systems access to an unprecedented amount of data. Algorithms could now learn from millions of examples, improving their accuracy and capabilities. The second factor was advancements in algorithms themselves. Machine learning algorithms in particular began to show promise. They allowed machines to learn from data, improving over time. Neural networks, a type of machine learning algorithm inspired by the human brain, began to deliver impressive results. Suddenly, AI was back in the game. It was learning, adapting, and improving. It was starting to look less artificial and more intelligent. The AI winter was over and the spring of AI had begun. Just when it seemed like AI had hit a dead end, it bounced back stronger and more powerful than ever before. Fast forward to the 21st century and AI is everywhere. But how did we get here? In the early 2000s, AI was still a dream in the minds of scientists, but the spark was ignited. This period saw the rise of machine learning, a subset of AI that involves computers learning from data without being explicitly programmed. This led to advancements in several areas, including image and speech recognition and natural language processing. The game changer came in the mid-2000s with the advent of deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. These deep networks have the ability to learn from vast amounts of data in a way that is similar to how we humans learn from experience. This has been a key driver in making AI a reality. Around the same time, advancements in natural language processing, or NLP, made it possible for computers to understand human language. This enabled the development of chatbots and virtual personal assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, which can understand and respond to human speech. In the last 2 decades, the use of AI has exploded. It's now integrated into everyday technology. When you ask Siri for the weather, or when Netflix recommends a show, that's AI at work. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes, and even our hospitals. AI algorithms help doctors diagnose diseases, and they're being used to develop new drugs. And let's not forget about self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI to interpret their surroundings and make decisions about where to go and how to get there. It's a prime example of how far AI has come and how much it's changing our world. The field of AI has come a long way since its inception. It's moved from the realm of science fiction to an essential part of our everyday lives. The advancements we've seen in the last 2 decades are just the beginning. The potential for AI is vast, and we're only just starting to scratch the surface. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has well and truly permeated every aspect of our lives. So, what does the future hold for AI? Should we be excited or fearful? As we stand at the precipice of a new era, we can't help but wonder what the future holds for artificial intelligence. One thing is certain, AI is not going anywhere. It's going to become more integrated into our lives, and its potential applications are vast and wide-ranging. Let's take a look at some potential future developments. The field of AI ethics is emerging as a crucial area of study. As AI systems become more complex and autonomous, they'll need to make decisions that have ethical implications. Who will be responsible for these decisions? How can we ensure that AI systems are fair and transparent? These are questions we'll need to grapple with in the coming years. AI is also poised to revolutionize healthcare. Imagine AI systems that can predict diseases before they occur, or that can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. The potential benefits are immense. But again, there are challenges. How do we ensure the privacy and security of sensitive health data? And how do we make sure that these benefits are accessible to everyone, not just those who can afford the latest technology? And then there's the potential for superintelligent AI. This is AI that surpasses human intelligence in all areas. It's a prospect that's both exciting and terrifying. On the one hand, superintelligent AI could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. On the other hand, it could pose a danger if it's not properly controlled. We'll need to tread carefully as we move closer to this possibility. The future of AI is undoubtedly exciting, but it also comes with its share of challenges and ethical dilemmas. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we'll need to ensure that we're doing so responsibly. We have the opportunity to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity. Let's make sure we don't squander it. The future of AI is undoubtedly exciting, but it also comes with its share of challenges and ethical dilemmas. So, what have we learned about the journey of AI from its inception to the present day? At the dawn of artificial intelligence, the idea of machines thinking like humans seemed like a far-fetched concept, reserved for the realms of science fiction. But pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy dared to dream, envisioning a future where machines could imitate human intelligence. This was the birth of AI, the start of an extraordinary journey. Then came the AI Winter, a period of disillusionment where progress seemed to freeze. The lofty expectations of AI's early years were not met, funding dwindled, and interest waned. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, AI made an impressive resurgence. This period was marked by the development of machine learning and neural networks, which paved the way for AI to rise again, stronger and more capable than ever. Fast forward to the modern era of AI, where it's no longer a fringe concept, but an integral part of our everyday lives. From voice assistants on our phones to recommendation algorithms on our favorite streaming platforms, AI has become ubiquitous. It's a tool that has the potential to revolutionize industries and transform societies. But what of the future? With advancements in deep learning and the prospect of artificial general intelligence, the possibilities seem infinite. But there's an air of uncertainty too. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, we must grapple with questions about ethics, job displacement, and even potential threats to humanity. Yet despite these concerns, the future of AI holds immense promise. It presents opportunities to solve complex problems, enhance productivity, and perhaps even redefine what it means to be human. The history of AI is a testament to human innovation and resilience, and its future an exciting yet uncertain voyage into the unknown.